Hi everybody, it's Joe from Chalily, where we celebrate water in the garden. Today I'm going to share with you probably the most popular pond plant because its ease of growth. It's the water hyacinth. We grow and sell thousands of these. Water hyacinth is a floater, so that category means the plant is really just floating on the surface of the water. We don't have to plant it, and it just bobs around in the water. The reason we love this plant, the reason you should consider this plant, one, it adds shade to the water. Of course, all water plants help filter the pond. Another reason is the fish love to hide underneath there and have a place to stay out of that intense sun. The fish also love to eat the roots. They also love to spawn and lay their eggs on the roots of the floating plants. Hyacinths like this one will just float around. What keeps it buoyant is the inside of these bulbous looking things. If you ever crack one open, it's almost like insulation. There's just rows and rows of air pockets. That's what keeps the hyacinths from sinking, so they just float around. Although hyacinths are illegal in some parts of the country, so don't order them if you live in Florida, we do enjoy them throughout most of the United States. The reason you can't order this plant down south is because it can be invasive because the winter doesn't kill it. They really need more heat and more sun than we can give them inside. One of the fun things with water hyacinths when they do bloom is it is a beautiful shade of purple. And at Chalily, we love that shade of purple. The flowers only last one day. So if you come out in the morning like we are here, you might have 10 or 20 blooms. The next day, no blooms at all. Those flowers will close up and that's it for that particular bud on that particular plant. It can take full sun to full shade. If the hyacinth is in the shade, it's going to get taller and be reaching out for the shade. Those leaves may even get a little bit bigger because they're reaching out, trying to reach that sun. If you come to our store in St. Louis, guess what? We'll give you 3 hyacinths for free, just for stopping in. So if you have to order them, sorry, you get 0 for free. But if you stop in St. Louis, we give everybody 3 for free, just for stopping in. That's been our tradition since day one, and we continue that even to this day. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.